Memo bibiara akwaba edeba official gossiper so na won subscribe ya make also be subscribe edi amaye we YouTube channel ne so oko Facebook na IG ne so a official gossiper ba kope na ye wo wa wonim ye de ne ye honam no ese enu nti na ene official gossiper ensema a abeto dwane ye pese wutie bie so atiase ye nya ye kohwehwemu ne ye de abrɛ na won susu no we hu bi na won so wakenkan bi no wache amobian so anya bi na ne nyina no ensantroni ba kope a wo TV3 a ye frɛ no Abena Korkor na no ada odin sembi betu dwabobo mema dodo a kyese omatimini na afufa beebi so atiase omo asebe oni omo ada anase mema ne na ada obobo odin ana mese okobo din a enie na eye Giovani a ono so eye adwuma de ma TV3 adwuma kuoyi eno so ne di be pie mu den a o kyerese eye Giovani enene daye eni ade enyina eno anso a ena Giovani ekọ eye delay an kokonsani ba akopɛ ni show so eni so see Abena Korkor boa o menena na entisa eye ntro ena otwa eno anso a na Abena Korkor se hwe me a mede me ho na me se woni mada wo se woni me naye esan sempanifo se oba bia wonyem no ene hu eye akwala ne eja anasa akwala ne papa intino oba no no na be kyerese ni pass mesi ena menena da anase oneme enaye enu nti ena eye Abena Korkor di tu dwase hwe ene Giovani nsem okotena delay show so eka ye ne nyina no entronko na wotwaye na odin nsem ahoro bi atutu dwa na monhwe video no a etwagu no obehu ensem a eye Abena Korkor di tu dwa.
In light of we speaking up last week, we spoke about domestic violence, emotional abuse and all that, and I was saying people should speak up, talking boldly on TV. Speak up. And I have my own issues, and like I've zipped up my mouth, protecting who, for what, zipping up for what, I wonder. So Giovani is a colleague. We all work at Media Journal, and I see some of you saying, why don't I address it with him at work? It wasn't a discussion in a makeup room. A whole interview with delay. Global, like everybody's gonna watch it, people in the diaspora, everything. And he goes like, I lied. And then he said it so nicely, she's my friend, and you know, I supported her in her campaign and all that. Yes, you did, but even that one, it was like a work you had to do. I came to Star FM, and the show I was given, you were the host. You have to pay your bills, so whether you liked it or not, you still had to do it. And I came to do an interview to promote bipolar awareness. So if I had any issue with you, I really don't have any issue with you. It's unfortunate that I'm very vocal about my sexual escapades. Even when I don't put it on social media during my relapse, all my close friends know that I talk about how great sex was for me or not so great. That is who I am. You see, I enjoy talking about sex, researching on sex and all those things. Some people say it's bad, so sometimes I work on it, or I'm working on it to tone it down, quote unquote, so that you can be in a stable relationship and finally get married. You can be your own self. So I don't know why, Giovani, you go and sit there and lie. You could have just said no comments, because that's what I do anytime people ask me about anybody that was on the list. You know, just no comments, because I don't know why I should lie for you, or it wasn't something I was even supposed to talk about, but I did have a relapse and I spoke about it, and there was no lie about it. But you know, there are so many strings attached, so sometimes but I don't understand why you would sit on TV and be confident enough to lie. And because maybe you think I'm a mute, or I'm not a confident woman, or I don't know, if you ask somebody to, we didn't even talk about this, and you just go and say that about me. And people keep on saying, oh, she's always making up stories when she's having a relapse. She's mentally unstable. So whenever she says something, don't take her serious. I think before I'll do this video, like, I texturized my hair, so it was like all over the place. I had to go and brush it up so that I look kept before I make this video, so nobody would think, oh, she's having a relapse. I'm just emotionally drained. Like, why he would say that. And then there are other underlying issues of girls that are coming to me, asking me, telling me about stuff they are going through, and I would advise them, and I can't advise my own self. I can't take my own advice. That is very sad. Mothers, ladies, advising your daughters, asking them to speak up. I hope you do speak up when it gets to your turn, when that person in power, that person that you really respect, says something negative about you or does something unfair to you. I hope you'll be able to speak up.
Na meka o se unsubscribe ya na wa subscribe e di amaye na unso wa share e di amaye.